Recapping the trade, HTBX. You can see this chart here. This is a 3-year timeline for a day candle. All right. So you can see that the chart, of course, is being downtrending for the last couple of years consistently. But yesterday it had a pretty hype until 258. It seems like it got, and then today it got a gap up. So because it was a gap up, and then it was also breaking. It was a breakout, a multi-month breakout. You can see it was breaking out January's high, and then I decided to get in. Okay, so what did I see on the trade that made me decide to get in? First, if you can see, this chart is clearly uptrending, and it was holding its gain. All right, and even after market, you can see the stock keeps breaking out. Now, what was I seeing? Okay, I was seeing at this point. Okay, I decided to get around this candle when I saw the pullback, because my risk was the following: was the pre-market highs. So around the pre-market highs. So this was my risk around here. So if we broke past let's say 321, then I will get out. Okay, so I got in stock around here. I saw potential, and then in the next candle, but after the third candle, this red candle, then I started to get a little worried because it was not breaking out, and it should have been breaking out with the price action that we've been seeing in the past, right? Then I got pretty scared when I saw this candle here, but then I said, okay, I'm gonna hold it because it's still not, it's still green on the day, and it's still, it has reached my stop loss. But due to this price action that I can see that the red candle it wasn't that strong, then I decided to hold for 1 more minute. So in the next following minute, we got a squeeze that got us up, and then we start seeing these things here. Okay, now I got out around this area here when I saw that there was resistance in this point. We couldn't break it out these past points here. So that's when I decided, okay, let's get out, let's take the profits. We have reached our target, and let's see how the stocks plays out, right? Because in this market nowadays, you can see that the stocks are failing to break out. They don't have too much volume. So just decided just take out the profits and leave it out there. Interesting things that I saw right after is like got this massive pullback here, which it could have been a sign for an entry as well. It could have been a good entry here, but the risk may be, I don't know, too much, because from 341 you're risking about 20 cents. So I didn't want to lose my profits, so I just decided just to leave it like that. So now here's the stock playing out. You can see broke past 4 because 4 was the resistance from the past. Of course, it's a round number. You can see how it's performing right now. So this is how the stock is looking right now. So there's not a good time, in my perspective, to enter, to do a second trade. The volume is still there, right? It's fading out. I will look into trading this towards in the afternoon if it hits this support line, just so I can have a similar entry from the morning, right? I'll be looking to enter this maybe hopefully around 3:30, $3.30, so I can raise about 10 cents. All right, and then I'll be hoping that this stock will close strong, or stronger, will regain its gains towards the end of the afternoon. So we'll see how this plays, and yeah, I'll keep you posted.